very much for joining me today. I'm Carol from MeetGeek, and I'm going to present you a AI companion. I know everyone is very familiar with it. Everyone is probably using one right now. I'm going to show you how MeetGeek does for in-person meetings and as well for online meetings. So I know everyone's been using it. It's quite popular. But what if you could have AI companion that's also an AI agent that can do tasks for you, that can do a follow-up for you on your behalf, automated, or that you can track metrics, KPIs, custom KPIs, the ones that you created, things that you like to access, and also push the relevant information into your favorite tools. So basically, the platform pushes all the notes into your favorite tools. Obviously, it will sync with your calendar, and it push the notes. It can push to your CRMs. It can push to other type of tools, like things for project management, software development, and then you get all the data from it into the platform. So after that, everything is in line with your team. Everyone can collaborate to make sure that you are on the same page here, and everyone can have access to the data. And why MeetGeek? I know there are quite a lot of competitors and other solutions out there, but right now we are positioning ourselves as the European solution. We are focused on European languages to be more accurate. And we also having AI agents right now to do follow-up emails right after the call, to create tasks for you, to push stuff into the right place. And it's a plug and play. It's super easy. Anyone can use it right now. And we also having custom metrics. You can customize the metrics, not using the ones that are preset from platform. And a lot of people, salespeople, CS people are using it as a meeting intelligence tool. So basically, you can capture a lot of things and make sure that you are on track with sentiment, with objections, and then you train your team. And as you can see, we have a lot of data that can be relevant and personalizable as well. And also the AI companion that can do stuff for you. For example, sometimes I have calls and I wanted to write a follow-up, but not just write a follow-up, send a follow-up on my behalf. And then right now we have something very exciting, it's just voice agents. You could create voice agents to mediate the calls for you, for internal calls, for example. People are using it during your sales sync, your CS sync, your all hands. It will mediate to make sure that you're online with the agenda that you're following with. And talking about data, we are focused on Europe, so the data resides in Europe. And it's not just about recording meetings, but what you do with the data in it. Thank you.